Alarm on.
It was Tuesday in a Bel Air neighborhood. The man wasn't home at the time, but cameras kept an eye out as a stranger came to the front gate.
Rings on the doorbell, doesn't realize there's a camera right in his face already.
The man looks around, then crawls under the gate. When no one comes to the front door, he makes a call.
He calls his buddies one by one. They roll through. They try to stay low as they're running through the driveway.
At first, the trio of burglars appears to be threatened by a dog. Then they spray the dog.
After a while, they realize this dog was just all bark and no bite.
They enter through a back door unlocked. Nearly 20 minutes later, the bandits push the screen out of a window and come out with the loot. One last peek into a guest house, and they're off with cash and jewelry.
It was a piece of jewelry that I molded after my grandfather's piece, who had one very similar, but this was about 10 times as large.
The victim is grateful that he suffered only material losses. He's also thankful for the extra sets of eyes that watched everything happen while he was gone.
There's anger, but these guys were dumb enough to get caught on tape. They deserve to get caught.
And if you happen to recognize any of the men in that security video, you were asked to contact the LAPD. We're live from West Hollywood tonight. Susie Song, KCAL 9 News.